Ryan sir, we are very, very honored to have you among us here today. A very, very warm welcome, sir. The floor is yours.
Amazingly, you are part of history because this is the largest alumni online event, not just for us at Ryan Group, but it is the largest one being held in the country.
It's very important to maintain a decorum and a balance.
I did not want an engineering degree, but I wanted to become an engineer.
कुछ तो है तेरे मेरे दरमियां।
तो मेरे को भी बहुत मजा आया सलोनी के साथ रायन में जाने के लिए।
The Ryan Olympics 2021. It is a proud moment to have each one of you with us today. Very enriched to listen and learn from each of your exciting journeys.